study with Dr. Hashemi, the series where partial discharge concepts are explained step by step. Today's episode is about the UV camera for PD detection. In previous episodes, we discussed about the electrical and non-electrical PD methods, and today I introduce the UV camera or UV-based PD detection. PD creates different signals. For example, electromagnetic waves. PD can create some acoustic emission and mechanical sound waves. Similarly, the PD creates light waves in different frequency ranges. And because of these light waves, you can use different cameras like UV cameras in the range of the UV that are created due to PD. The corona and external surface discharges could be detected and observed by the naked eyes in dark room. It means if you have some high voltage assets, they have some PD, like I discussed, you can see the partial discharge activities around the high voltage assets by your eyes. And today, you use the UV camera without using the dark room. There are different capabilities like the live recording or superimposed PD result with the photos of the high voltage asset. It is useful to detect the partial discharge by this approach, but there are some limits. For example, if the partial discharge is internally, this approach cannot work well. If the level of the partial discharge is low, the UV camera cannot be useful. It depends on the type of the high voltage assets and the application of the PD detection, depends on the level of the sensitivity that you want, and depends on the type of the PD. You can use the UV camera or other methods for the PD detection. Today we discussed the topic of the UV camera for PD detection. I explained how the UV cameras can be useful for PD detection. We will see you in the next episodes.